Hey guys, so in a recent video, I have been asked like a lot of questions that how to make a good project. What type of project should we push into the repositories. So I will talk about today like what type of project you should make if you are like backend developer and working on Java project, and also like you have to be make a good UI so that you can impress your recruiter. So let's talk about what are the project that I have worked on and. So in this video, I will talk about like what are the projects that I have worked on and how I have it helped me to my resume get selected. So let's talk. I will talk in this video. So let's start. So this is the UI that first it's it's important to impress, and if you like make it in this way, you will it will look better. So let's in the repository section, like what are the projects that I have worked on. I will talk about it. So in the ride booking platform. So basically, it's a microservice based project, right? So I have to give one link. So in this one, I have created a readme.md file. In this, I put a link of all the microservices. You can see it. So I'll talk about this project, like the location service. In this, what I have done is that connect to the Redis server and update a live driver locations and fetches a nearby driver to two coordinates. Also, instead of Redis client, you can use MongoDB as well, because as we know that Redis is used for it store only the current data. But if you are like want to store for want to store for a long time, you have to use MongoDB. Second is entity service. It's like a model layer or data layer. In this, they store all the models used across microservices, right? So instead of like creating a models or that library in each services, we have just used that dependency in each services so that it become easy for us to integrate. Then talk about booking services. So it basically booking service, manage everything regarding ride bookings. So whatever the ride we are doing, everything is managed by booking services. And talk about socket service. It is basically uses a Storm-based socket to communicate to client and microservices. Then fifth is review service. It managing the ratings and review between passenger and drivers. And in all service, we have used JWT based authentication. You can use auth 2 also, because nowadays people need a because all are try to become or all are in a hurry. So it's better to have a auth 2. So what are the additional feature that I have used? Like I have used Kafka for asynchronous communications. I have used Retrofit for async API call. Earlier I have used REST template also, but it's making some. This depend on based on your project. You have to be add. Either you have to make a synchronous or async API call. So depend on the project. According to that, you have to be like consider that. Then proper DTO and repository structured. Yeah, that additional features that I've talked about, like entity services. That we use as dependencies and use across all the microservices, so that we don't need to create every time our database model layer. Then we also use like other features. If I will talk about is the flyway migration. That's it's similar to like Git. It's for the it's also versioning. Because you take care of your makes sure that if anyone changes, it makes sure the validity of the whatever the changes are made and for which layer we are changing. So it's basically take care of everything. It's basically you can say a logs. So these are basically that project that I have worked on, and it's a lot of learning in this because you have to integrate all the services and so it's great learning in this. How most the thing that we have worked on the location services. In this, we have used Redis to find out the nearby drivers using geolocations, and also we have like used like Redis to find the nearby drivers. About like you have to find out the drivers for in the range of 5 kilometers. So you have to be like considered everything in that. And yeah, so along with that, earlier I worked on like room rental services. So basically, it's a platform for booking room rental services, room rental rooms for both. I worked on both, like front end as well as back end. So back end is basically if you click on this, you will get a all the projects. So yeah, this is my resume, GitHub repo, and you can visit here and you can check out the project as well. So this is the basically Adarsh Rajat is my like github.com. You can just visit and check it out. I will also put in the link in the description so that you people can visit here and can check it. So it becomes helpful for you to and also like comment if you want something good and new and like I want to know your opinion about the things. Yeah, and also I have used like Jenkins, AWS deployed on AWS using Jenkins for CI/CD pipeline, and I have used S3 for the front end and integrated with AWS and also RDS for the database management. So these are the basically that I worked on, and along with that, I have also like make a one the Cora project app so that I want to show you the services, the different services that I worked on, and let me. This is the Cora backend, yeah. So I have also this is it is based mostly it is based on like CRUD applications. So along with that, you have to also make a relations like Cora. Have you visited Cora? You have seen that for one questions, people are like replying a lot of answers. Below the answer, people are also replying answer inside answers. It's just like a nested answer that multiple answer are for one single question. So you have to be like consider that also. You have to make a relations. So they are something that you need to be take care of. And I have also added JWT token over login. Go and check it out. It will be like it will help you to create a project and understand that how the backend system working. So hope it will work, and yeah, your UI should look better, so it can impress your recruiter a lot. Because instead of checking everything, this tells most of the things in a short term. So like that. So hope it will helpful for you, and let me know in the comment section if you need something new and about like in different topics. I will try to upload it, and so hope you love it and like the channel, subscribe the channel, and thanks for the watching. Thank you.